Creating a professional website for your business has never been easier. Here's our easy 5-step process. Step 1. Fill out our website order form. Provide us with all the information that helps us understand your business better. Step 2. Transfer payment and submit content. Choose from our range of accepted payment methods to complete the transaction. After transferring the payment, you can email us the proof of payment or send it through our Facebook page. Along with the proof of payment, feel free to send over your website content at this stage. Step 3. Design and development. Once we receive your payment, we get straight to work. We will register your domain name, set up your web hosting, install WordPress and a premium theme, and customize it all to bring you the results you desire. And in just 10 to 14 business days, we are ready to present your brand new website. Step 4. Check and approve. Navigate your website, check it, and once you're satisfied, give us the green light. Step 5. Launching of website. Once approved, your website goes live. We will email login details of your admin dashboard so you can manage it effortlessly. And just like that, your website is up and running. With our easy 5-step process, you'll have a website that truly represents your company. Get in touch with us to get started.